school leaders are ready for another year in the district. WMAR 2 News' Skylar Henry spoke with school superintendent Dr. Sandra Santelises about the year and what we should expect.
And on students' first day back in Baltimore City, classes went on without a break in schedule, for the most part.
Our team has been working alongside with them and the city to see, to make sure that we can get young people back there as soon as possible.
City School CEO Sonia Santelises says school was canceled at Baltimore International Academy for a plumbing issue. But overall for the district, in addition to new buildings and a push to bring in more advanced placement classes and even social workers, they've started strong.
Parents are also going to see a renewed investment. What we're seeing in a lot of schools is a renewed investment in a variety of extracurricular activities. Some of the principals I've spoken to have received feedback and are directing some of the additional resources that we're receiving towards that.
Teachers are also watching the temperatures. Over the last few weeks, the teachers union raised money for new fans to help keep students cool, a problem that kept kids out of school for days when they were supposed to start last year.
We still need a lot of community support because even though the fans offer some type of immediate relief, there's still a policy in place that if the classrooms reach 85 degrees or higher, then instructional time will be cut short.
Diamante Brown is the head of BTU. She says over the last month, they've received more than 200 fans and raised thousands of dollars to help.
It's not just one. Some educators have requested 5 fans, depending on how big their classroom is. Some only need 1. So whatever they need, we can fulfill the request.
Quick solutions to more expensive problems, Santelises says, aren't dropping in priority as they settle in for the year.
If I had my wishes, every school would have perfect climate tomorrow. That's what our young people deserve, but it's also why we continue to make the push for the capital investment, given we have the oldest portfolio of buildings in the state.
In Baltimore, I'm Skylar Henry, WMAR 2 News.